Here we are at example 2 from our 8.5 set of notes. We're asked to simplify the following rational expressions with this operation of them being subtracted in the middle. Now, first of all, what we're going to go ahead and do is factor out this bottom piece. So when we do that, we end up with 4 divided by x plus 2 minus 5 divided by x plus 2 times x plus 1. And in just looking at what we have in bottom, we notice that the least common denominator that they both will share is x plus 2 times x plus 1. So this guy already has that x plus 2. He also has an x plus 1. So it's literally this entire bottom piece. Over here, he only has an x plus 2. And as a result, we really need to get that x plus 1. And so we're going to go ahead and multiply the bottom by that x plus 1, as well as the top by that x plus 1. Again, this is just a fancy way of saying 1 that we're multiplying this expression by. Next, what we're going to go ahead and do is distribute that 4 into both items. Over here, we actually didn't have to multiply anything, so we were good. We already had that least common denominator. Just want to restate that. But we end up then with 4x plus 4 divided by x plus 1 times that x plus 2 minus 5 divided by, I'm just going to go ahead and swap the order of these two so it's a little easier to see. We end up then with x plus 1 times x plus 2. And now we can see that they do have that same exact bottom, so we can go ahead and subtract the tops now. Looks like nothing can be combined with that 4x, so we still have 4x on top. We have positive 4 minus 5 comes out to be negative 1 divided by x plus 1 times x plus 2. Looks like we cannot factor out the top at all to see if something can cancel, so this would be our final simplified version. Now, I've heard questions in the past asked, well, do we need to redistribute this item? To be honest, I'm actually okay with you leaving it in factored form. It's actually, in my opinion, preferable to be in factored form just because you can find some things from that. You could distribute and find some other values as well, but I personally just think, this is fine, this is good enough. You've shown me that you have subtracted those two rational expressions. Again, though, that is example 2 from our 8.5 set of notes.